ഏരിയയിൽ. Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the use of infinitives. So for the coming exam, you have a question that is, fill in the blanks with correct form of infinitive with or without to. With or without to. Infinitive is a non-finite verb. I told you there are two types of verb, finite verb and non-finite verb. Participles, gerund and infinitives are called non-finite verb. It has a form of verb, but it doesn't have a full sense. It cannot stand by itself. So it is called non-finite verb. It is formed, that is, infinitive is formed by adding to the base form of the verb. I already taught you what is the base form of the verb. Again I am telling. So there are three forms: present tense, past tense, past participle. Write, wrote, written. Here present tense plural is also known as base form of the verb. You have studied in the standard 7. In the textbook you can find the base form. Base form is also known as simple present tense plural. So that is base form. You should add to the base form. For example, play. That is a finite verb. If you add to, it becomes to play. Then it becomes an infinitive. It is a non-finite verb. The verb or verb first form is equal to present tense plural. There are three forms of the verb: present tense, past tense and future tense. Example, there are three forms of verb: present tense, past tense and past participle. That future tense is wrong. Please careful. I have written future tense. That is wrong. That is here. It is past tense, present tense, past tense and future past participle. That is three forms of the verb. These are three tenses of the verb. So it is a mistake, and please note it. Not future tense, it is past participle. Example, write, wrote, written. Here write is the base of the verb. A few more examples are given. To walk. To plus walk, to walk. To run, to plus run, to run. To buy, to plus buy, to buy. So this is infinitive. Add to the base form of the verb. We use infinitives to combine two sentences and also to show purposes. It is wrong to write to went, to played, to walked, to bought. You understand? It is wrong to say to when, because when is past tense. The base form of when is go. Played is past tense. The base form of the verb is to play and to play. So first, to go. Walked, past tense. Walk, present tense plural or base form, to walk. Bought, past tense, present tense or base form is buy, to buy. So you should not use the past form or past participle form of the verb to make infinitive. You should not use to the past tense and past participle. To went wrong, to bought wrong, to wrote wrong, to played wrong, because it is past tense. Correct? To go, to play, to buy, to run, etc. So this is about the infinitives. I'm summarizing once more. Infinitives are non-finite verb. To make infinitive, you have to add to the base form of the verb. The base form of the verb is the first form of the verb, that is present tense plural. Add to the present tense plural, not singular. Singular is there is s with the base form. Walk is plural. Walks, walks, walks is singular. So it is wrong. To walks, to runs, to buys, wrong. That is present and singular. It is not base form. Base form is to buy. Base form is buy, walk, play, run. To walk, to play, to buy, to run, to swim, to sing, etc. are infinitives. So you have a question to find out the infinitives. Fill in the blanks with the form of the infinitive with or without to. That is, sometimes there is no need of using to without to. Sometimes you have to use to the base form to make infinitive. There are two types of infinitive. Infinitive with to, without to. So in the coming exam, the question will be this is, fill in the blanks with correct form of the infinitives with or without to. It is the chapter 16. So this is the way to find out, to fill in the blanks. So this is about the infinitive. I hope you understand. If you go to the, and you will learn more about, if you go to the chapter in the grammar book, 16 infinitives. There infinitive without to is called bare infinitive. Without infinitive without to is called bare infinitive. So sometimes we will not use infinitive to the infinitive. Bare infinitives are follow modal auxiliaries like shall, will, can, may, should, would, could, must, might. Bare infinitives follow modal auxiliaries shall, will, can, may, should, would, could, might, must. This is their most common use. You can play now. I will play money. We should go home. They must study harder. Bare infinitives are used after expressions like had, better, would, rather than, etc. Bare infinitives are used after expressions like had, better, would, rather than. I would rather have coffee